Okay, y'all, so I've been sitting here by this pool all day doing nothing, and I have already planned out my entire weekly dinner menu from Divas Can Cook, instantly added all the ingredients to my cart, and had it delivered right to my door. Check this out. I've partnered with Target, and now every single recipe on my site features this awesome shop ingredients button, and I am like in love, y'all, like for real. So really quickly, I want to show you how this works. All right, so you head to my website and you click on any recipe that you want to shop. In the recipe card below the ingredients list, you'll see a pink button that says Shop Ingredients. It's right there. When you put in your zip code and select your Target store, the ingredients are instantly added to your cart. Look at that, huh? Oh, I love it. Okay, so if you want to like swap out ingredients, so easy to just click the swap button right there. You can select the item that you want. If you don't see anything that you want, you can use that search bar up there and just type it in. And now I'm just going to search for the ground beef that I normally get, and it is right here. Where is it at? Right there. That's the ground beef that I get, so I'm just going to go ahead and click it, and you can see that it is added to my cart. And if you add multiple recipes, all the ingredients are kept neatly organized, and recipes that share ingredients have their own little section right here, and you can see which recipes share the ingredient. Love that. Staples you may already have, they're going to list them below, and you can just add them to your cart if you need them. And when you're ready to check out, just go ahead and click that checkout at Target button, and there you can choose whether you want to do a delivery or an order pickup. Since I was not trying to leave the house, I did a delivery. And if you want this same menu that I use for the week, you can head on over to my blog. I put them all together for you in a blog post along with more information on this awesome Target button. I hope you guys enjoy this just as much as I do. Give it a try and let me know what you think.